So today I have this very interesting device. It is widely popular. There is quite a lot of hype about this camera. Today I will do only unboxing of this little device. Very interesting device, I need to say. So today we have like DJI Osmo Pocket 3, rotatable screen, very easy to handle, from www.dji.com. Osmo Pocket 3, what do we have here? On the back we have like the specification that this is like a CMOS sensor, 1-inch sensor. So a lot of people actually were very happy about this, the size of the sensor of this camera. Rotatable screen with orientation control, 3-axis gimbal as well, active tracking, full pixel fast focusing, D-Lock, 10 megabits. Also, this is quite a big upgrade. Packet size, which is very cool. And of course, we have in the box all these items like Osmo Pocket, protective cover, handle with quarter thread. So all these, everything is nicely listed here. The box is really nice and small. DJI is how that look like, and Osmo Pocket is half. So okay, let me open this very quickly and see how these items look like. Okay, opening this is not an easy task, but let's go with this. Let's open that. I remove the foil. And how to get in here? Okay, here we have another. Here is another tape that is holding this. We can remove this very quickly. Remove this. All right. Okay. And here as well. And from what I see, this is actually quite tightly sealed. Yeah, very tightly sealed. But let's go, don't give up. Or maybe we can just open it from here. Okay, so we can open it from here only, not from the back as I wanted. Okay, just here. So let's try to open this. Okay, that's how this is. How we should open this. Let's go further. Okay, so that I believe is the main guest of today's video, the DJI Pokcet itself. They already put it in the cover. Let me very quickly unpack this. Okay, nice. And that's how the device look like itself. There is some tape on it. Rotate screen, power on off, shutter record button, press once, power on, take photos or record. Okay, 5D joystick, really nice. Actually, I need to say, look at this material. I need to say it's plastic, but it feels very good, like in hand. I need to say the grip of that, it feels very sturdy. Like, I don't know, there is something about Pocket 3 logo. I need to say there is something about this material that is making this, holding this even really nice. It fits really nice in the hand, I need to say. There is also slot. I see it's empty. It would be very nice if they would just add extra SD card, but that's not the case. USB Type C at the very bottom. Okay, so that's the device and the cover. Inside the cover there is some gentle fabric inside, which I really appreciate. There is also place for wide angle lens inside. I don't have any here because that's only a device itself, the camera, but you can put here like lenses that can go somewhere on top of this camera after you will turn it on. Okay, but today we will don't turn it on. It's the only unboxing, so that's how that look like. So this is what do we have. Another thing from the box is, let me check that. Okay, we have this. Okay, so here, and that's pretty much it. What do we have in the box if we will take it all? So DJI stickers. If I will look at this very quickly here as well. Okay, that's only a handle, I believe. That's connect like that, like this. Nice, satisfying click, definitely. Okay, very good. A handle that can be actually attached further if needed to tripod or on other stuff. I can detach this. Okay, look at this very quickly. One is holding, the other not. You need to press them together here. Okay, to unmount. So that's what we have. So that's basically what do we have in the standard only Pocket, only in the Pocket 3 version, without any additional things. That's pretty much all of it. Paper with the stickers, taking out and everything out. That's basically everything that we have from the box. So removing these, and that's pretty much it. That's all what we have in the box, with the main guess, of course, the camera. So I'm really interested how that camera would look like and behave after actually turning this on and checking and seeing how that's look like, if this is working, if this is recording, what is the video quality and everything that this camera can provide. But for today, this video, we only have the unboxing and how the camera itself look like. It looks pretty decent. Yes, it is rotate this way. Oh, it's actually turned on if you look at this. Nice. Look at this. We have setting screen, English. Yes. I need to use joystick or what? Okay, so I need to scan and connect this with the phone. But I will not do this in this unboxing camera. In this unboxing video today only, I wanted to show you how that look like. And the gimbal is actually, oh, that's actually very interesting. The gimbal is already stabilizing and looking. It's very interesting. I will need to test this out. Okay, because this video is getting a little bit too long. So that's all for the unboxing. Thank you for watching this, and see you in the next one.